This gold trade wasn't just about entries. It was about waiting while everyone else was rushing into the market. Now, this setup had nothing to do with indicators. It was all about structure. It was all about price action. Liquidity hadn't been taken, but guess what? Most traders hop on to the impulse before waiting for the actual setup. So let me walk you through the full setup. All right, so we're on the charts. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Literally, I love what I'm seeing on the charts today. I was waiting for this impulsive move, and we got it from this level right here. Absolutely incredible, absolutely beautiful. And we want to see price pulling back into that area right there where I've highlighted. That's gonna be my entry. That's gonna be your entry. We're gonna be taking this trade and we're gonna be executing it live and direct, right? So literally, we're gonna be patient. You know, there's a lot of consolidation that has been happening around this zone, right around 4,880 thereabouts to 4,870, and we want to remain patient. We're seeing the impulse that we want to see right at this level. We just want to get a pullback to be able to take the actual trade, right? So our level is right there. I know some of you have probably already pressed sell, as long as your stop loss is where it should be, right? But we want to be patient and we want to have some pending orders right around 48.70. So that's a sell limit. 48.70 live and direct in these markets. We're going to be taking these setup, and we are really loving price action. So I'm explaining to you why I'm in this setup. Now, liquidity has not been taken, but one of the great things that happened today was the fact that President Trump spoke. We came back into this order block right there that you see me highlighting. And when we came back into this order block, you're realizing that we're respecting it. And that is very incredible, right? That is why this is our zone for entry. We got that lovely engulfing bearish candle right at this level. Now we want to see price coming back for us, and we'll hop on to the money train to be able to cash out, right? So ideally speaking, price action is going really nicely. Now understand that this is kind of slow. This is the real markets. We're showing you a live and direct setup on gold that we are really executing right here and now. So we do have to play, the long game, waiting on price to do what it really is intending to do. We can't rush the process. This is not a replay. All right. So I want you really to look at structure and understand why price is behaving like this at this level, right? I've taught you guys supply and demand, and if you really, really want full understanding of it, you can go back to this video, go watch it. It's actually tagged above here on the screen, right? So you are looking at what price action is telling you, right? You want to see price breaking those lows that it's already created. If it's failing to break, we then have to be patient to see what is price actually doing. But here's the number one thing that I need you all to understand. If price has given you a clear indication, there will be a correction. That is why we don't chase, we wait. That is why we set traps based on what the market implies. So we've got the implication of a lovely sell play out today, and what we're doing, we're setting a trap right around 48.70 to be able to get into that trade and of course have price do its thing. Now, one of the things that I want to highlight whilst price is doing its thing is that we didn't have a liquidity grab above or session highs like we normally look for. However, price is respecting this supply area for us to actually take the trade, right? So you want to pay attention to price action. That's the golden nugget right there. Price action is going to indicate everything and you have to follow its lead. Excellent. So we're being patient and we're seeing that price is coming back for us at our entry level. So for those of us who've got a sell limit order, we want to see those being triggered by our brokers, right, around 48.70, 48.72, thereabouts. And we'll drop that in to our WhatsApp community or Telegram community so that you can literally get the details of the setup, right? So for those of us who are watching on YouTube here, the link to our free school community is there. Once you come in, you'll have access to be a part of our community for absolutely free. So as price comes closer to our entry, we want to get ready for that, instant execution if we did not set up an actual sell limit. Honestly, loving the wick rejections around this level. Let's see if we can get price to push a little bit further in. I love structure and I love to play with structure exactly how it should be played with. Understand the market and read the language of it in a completely different way. And this is where your patience fully develops, right? You want to see price doing just exactly what your anticipation is. There are some people who've entered that trade. It's perfectly fine if your sell limit is not yet triggered, and you want to go in on an instant execution. You have the ability to do that. We just want to make sure that price is respecting our zone, and we want to get some momentum coming through. Now, things are a little bit slow with price action, but I'm strongly believing that price will pull back into 48.70, 48.72, because that's the level, right? And my levels are generally very accurate because of how I read into price action. Well, they always say that self-praise is no recommendation, but I'm telling you, my levels are always on point. I see the market in a completely different way. And that's why when I train people, they become profitable way quicker because I have the ability to actually give you my gift of reading price action. And of course, if you want that gift to be able to multiply your opportunities in these markets by taking the highest probability setup, the link is down below for a mentorship program. You will not, I'm telling you, you will not regret it one bit. There is guaranteed profits in the nuggets that I'll be dropping to you in this mentorship. So you see that price is at my level. Lovely. Exactly there. We've been triggered into this sell limit. Absolutely incredible. Let's see how it plays out from this. Price has tapped our level right there at 48.70. Let us see how it will begin to react from here. I'm excited and I want you guys to pay attention. Now, for the sake of this, I may have to just pause this and then come back to see how price is. I'm in this trade and literally we're going to be waiting. I'm the girl who looks at zones very clearly. So when I put a trade on, I am not micromanaging because that can be self-sabotaging. So don't self-sabotage yourself once you have evaluated, you've got a plan, follow through with the plan and allow the market to do its thing. So let's go and then we'll be back. All right, so all of us should be fully into this trade. You can see how price came perfectly right there. These are live charts. You're seeing this live and direct. Price came exactly at that entry level and no drawdown. This is zero drawdown. When I say zero, it's zero drawdown. Price is just respecting the level absolutely incredibly, right? And we're dropping from here. We're in profits, moving towards our first take profit level right at that support area there. We're going to be taking take profit 1, right? So we want to be patient, right? We want to be patient and literally you'll see the opportunity here. So price action is responding nicely to our level. You can see that it's fully respecting the level and we're getting closer towards that take profit. We've kind of speed it up a bit just for the replay aspect here so that you can see, but this live setup was absolutely incredible in terms of how it's currently even still playing out. I basically took loads of profits off this setup. The team took loads of profits off this setup, and you know, the whole idea of reviewing this is so that you understand the structure and how to read into price action to be able to take incredible setups. Now, this trade has fully played out in our favor, hitting the full take profit level by taking price action way below the level that we thought it was gonna go. So I want you to see the whole idea of reading into price action and the value behind it. That is the important thing that you have to learn, and that alone will set you free financially. I'm telling you, learn how to read price action. These candles, they give you structure. Learn how to read into structure like never before. If you want, you've got access with the link in the description to join our mentorship program, where we help you to read charts so that losing is no longer your best friend, but it becomes your enemy in these markets. Now, I'm not telling you that you're going to win all the trades that you take, but it is a guarantee that you will win more than you lose. You're going to want to watch this video next because it's going to help you to fully understand market structure and how price actually moves. So I'll be there as soon as you hit play.